காவிரி விவகாரத்தில் உச்சநீதிமன்றம் அளித்த தீர்ப்பு குறித்து கர்நாடக மாநில முன்னாள் எம்பி ரம்யாவுடன் நமது டெல்லி செய்தியாளர் அரவிந்த் மேற்கொண்ட நேர்காணலை தற்போது பார்க்கலாம்.
Today the Supreme Court has ordered Karnataka to release 6,000 cuses of water. Will the Karnataka stick to this, and what is the difficulty of Karnataka to sticking by it?
See, the thing is, in court also they were saying to release water to Tamil Nadu for drinking. But you have drinking water. You want water for irrigation. We are saying that we don't have enough water for drinking. We have just enough water for drinking. How can we release water to Tamil Nadu? But the court is saying to release water to you for drinking water. I don't know why your lawyer did not say that you have enough water for drinking. And if you see M.S. Swaminathan sir in 1987 to 1988, he said that in a distress year, Tamil Nadu required only 75 TMC of water to irrigate samba crop. And it was a bumper crop that year. So we have already given you that much. So why are you still asking us for some more water?
But don't you think it's two states are fighting and the federalism structure is getting collapsed?
Exactly.
Do you think? Don't you think that centers should step in and centers should solve this issue?
What's your name?
My name is Arvind.
Arvind, I have said the same thing Naidada Sollirke, that I wanted Tamil Nadu and Karnataka, both chief ministers, to come together for a meeting with the intervention of the Prime Minister. The Prime Minister can intervene. This is what should have been done long time ago. Instead of the lawyers putting something, Karnataka lawyers putting something and disputing, why can't both because in the tribunal in clause XX it clearly states that any of the changes and alterations to be done in the agreement can be done if both the parties agree. So both the parties, somebody has to facilitate, because it's a federal system, you cannot resolve among yourselves. So the Prime Minister, the government of India must intervene and bring both the parties together to discuss this and once and for all finish it, because I don't think the people of Karnataka or the people of Tamil Nadu want any dispute amongst ourselves, right? Let's make it clear and once and for all end it, because it's been 124 years. 125th year at least, let's end it, right?
So even the Karnataka state, as a chief minister, even Siddaramaiah did not take any step forward to meet Tamil Nadu chief minister.
No. Arvind, I'm sorry. The chief minister Siddaramaiah sir has already written a letter to Prime Minister Modi saying, please, urgent intervention required. Please respond. He has not responded till date. Mr. Modi has not responded. I have the letter dated 9th September. Mr. Modi has not responded. Chief Minister has written asking for intervention.
So will you open that 6,000 cases today, as the Supreme Court has given a final warning?
I don't have the authority to decide. I'm an ex-MP. I cannot.
So what do you think? What do you think? Will you endorse?
See, the thing is, you have to understand, why did we pass a resolution? Why? Because we don't have the water. If we had the water, we would have released it. Because we don't have water and because we went to the assembly decided based on evidence that Karnataka does not have water to release, and therefore we are going to pass a resolution saying that we cannot follow the court order. So that's all you have to understand. We are not buying time. We are not trying to, create any, a fake premise here. The truth, the fact, I am from Mandya. I am telling you that we do not have water.
So in the meeting convened by the central government, do you think this issue will get solved?
Of course, I hope so. I hope that for the sake of the people, that both the parties will put their egos aside and come to the table and think of a solution, because it's been 124 years people have been fighting. Keeping that in mind, I hope that both the parties, both the politicians from both the states must find a solution once and for all. Let's not keep it going on.